what that is. Maybe another smallmouth. But no, with my broken rod. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's bigger. It's a big one. Oh, I think it's a big one. Oh my goodness, on a broken rod. Oh my goodness, Micah. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, please. Don't break it. 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 What? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna need a scale. First, I need them. He's a. Oh. He's a good one, man. Don't break it. Don't break it. No. I'm pulling you on the bank. I'm pulling you on the bank. I'm pulling you on the bank. Yeah! Yeah! That's a long fish, man. Look at that guy. He's 3.3, 3.4. He's 3? He's 3.4. Yeah. Oh, me? Mm-hmm. Oh.
Let me not do this right now.
Might be a bass. I think it is a bass. Don't go around through that log. Come here.
There you go. Hell yeah. Can you hold your pole?
Yeah. That's not a bad one.
No. Not a bad one at all, actually.
Ooh, 2.5.
Okay.
See if I can get a. Go in this corner where we got hit on the Helgermite, but didn't take it fully. If it hits this crankbait. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's 2 fish. There was 2 fish hooked. Oh, no way. There was 2 fish hooked. Oh my goodness. I gotta get him in. That's a good fish too. That's a good largemouth. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I gotta get you. I gotta get you. Oh my goodness. This is a good largemouth. Oh, I'm holding him like a football right now because that's what he is, a football. Oh, there was 2 fish hooked on it. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's another big fish. It's another big fish. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's another good one. Oh, no. It's a smallie. It's a smallie. Oh my goodness. No way. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. He is a fighter. And he's big. Oh, no, 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 not that way, not that way, not that way. You are not allowed. Oh my goodness. You come here. That's a big smallie. Don't break my line. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Really hoping he didn't swallow it. That is a huge. Oh, 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 oh. He's in between me. Oh, I'm gonna get him over here because he is just fighting hard. Oh, yes. Look at that. Hundreds. Oh, I said it. I said it. Oh my gosh. That was a big blow up. Oh my goodness, and it's fighting hard. I don't know what it is. It's huge. It's huge. It's a bass. It's a bass. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh. That blow up was insane. It's a monster bass. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a large fish. I just broke my PB. I just broke my PB. Down to the top of his mouth, he is 19 and a half. Oh my gosh. Look at this fish. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yes. Look, there he is. He's in the water. Oh my God. Oh, shoot. Oh, there's a bigger one behind it.
You need a net.
I know.
Dang, that's a good one.
Oh. No way. No way, no way, no way, no way. Oh. 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 That's a fish. That's a good one too. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh no, I'm hung up. I was hung up on something. Oh, look at this fish. Oh my goodness. I think he's about to jump again here soon. Oh, no, no, here we go. Yes. Man, he's so strong. These fish in this creek are so strong. Oh my goodness. This is a good fish. Good smallie. I'm having to back him up. I can't pull him in. This is a monster. Oh, he's on the bank. He can't get out. Yes! Look at that! What a fish! Oh my gosh! Is a huge smallmouth out of this creek, and it's not even that big of a creek, but he come under that pillar over there and he crunched it. Let's get him back in the water. Clouds are going in and out in front of the sun. Oh, may have got hit there. I did. Oh, and it's a good little smallie. It's a good one. It might be a pound. Look at that. I don't know if I can see him in the water. Probably not with the wind. But he crunched it. We got another good smallie on here. Oh, look at him. Oh, I wish he'd jump a little bit. Look at that. Man, did they fight so hard in this current. In this creek in general. Oh my goodness. I don't know, my line's gonna pop any minute. Look at this. Oh. Oh. I might drag a little too tight though. Oh, there's another one following him. Did y'all see that? No, I'm gonna go ahead and get him in. Oh, look at that. Another good little football. There we go. Look at that. That is a football of a bass. Here, I mean, look at that. Just another absolute football of a bass. We're gonna weigh him too. Into the grippers, zeroed out. Oh, well, it was. Oh, now it is. Here we go. He is. So he's 2-4. All right, we're gonna give this guy a little underwater release. Oh, oh. Oh, I might have one here. There we go. Got something. There we go. I think it's a smallie. Yeah, it's a good one too. It's a good one. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's a good one. Oh yeah. Is it a smallie? No. No, it's not a smallie. Is it? Yeah. Oh, he had a weird pattern for a second. Oh, here we go. You see that pink? There's like a pink spot on him. Oh man. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh man. He feels like a little tank too. I'd say he's probably 2 pounds. That's a huge one. Oh yeah. Look at that, he freaked me out for a second. Because of that little rough patch he has right here. Man, for a second, I thought it was like a long pink line. And I was like, there's no way there's a trout in here. And then I was thinking, there's no way there's that big of a trout in here. Man. That's awesome. Let's get a weigh on him. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna call him two pounds even. We're just gonna call him 2 pounds even. Right at 2 pounds. Man, that was awesome. Good old 2-pounder. Let's get him a little release. Oh. Something might have hit it. There we go. Yes. Got another one. Oh man. I can't tell if he's good or not because he's fight. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, I can't tell if he's a good one because he was in the current. Oh yes. Oh yes. I really got to get him out of the current. He will tear me up. Come on, get out of there. Oh, I think he may have been on a bed because he's pretty beat up. Oh, man. Oh, yes. No. Don't get it out. No. He's taking me back into the current. He's trying really hard. It looks like I just got him on the inside of the lip, too. Perfect hook set. Just better not come out. About to see how good my leader line is. How good I tied it. Oh. Come on. No, he's still fighting. Still fighting. Man, he's a good one though. I would say he might be another 2-pounder. There we go. Yes. Yes. Man, he's got messed up. I don't know what by. He is a little messed up. Oh man, look at that. He's really long. I think he's bigger than the other one. Okay. Now let him. $2.5. Oh yeah. I think he's ready. Let's send him off. So I guess we'll stop here and start heading our way up with the other lure. Oh, something's trying to hit it. Got him. Oh, he's not bad. Oh, he's not bad. Look at this. He's not bad. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh no, he's got me in the branch. He's got me in the branch. He's not a bad one. That or he's just really strong. That's a good bass. It's a largemouth too. There's another one behind him. Oh, look at that. Look at the shoulders on him. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, look at this bass. That is an amazing creek bass. I think my camera was tilted. Look at that. Look at that largemouth. He is shouldered up. Oh, pick him up. He is 2'6". Let's go ahead and take another look at him. Look at that. Pretty good bass. Really nice. Oh! Oh, he got away from me. He got away from me. Got a good feeling. There's good cover around it. You really have to kind of work to get it back on top though. Back on top of the water. Oh! Oh! Oh, I had a feeling we'd get it. Oh, that's not a bad bass either. That's not a bad one. Oh, oh, look at this bass. He's barely hooked, it looks. It looks like he's barely hooked. Oh man, don't come off it, don't come off it. Oh, oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. Barely hooked. I gotta put him over here. Over here, over here. Woo! Yeah! Look at that! Look at it. That's a good bass too. That's a great bass. Alright, let's see how big this guy is. He is right at 2 pounds. Yeah, right at 2 pounds. Alright, we've got our 2-pounder right here. Let him get some water for a second. So here he is. Solid, even 2-pounder right here. Amazing creek bass. Really nice. Let's go ahead and get this guy back in the water. Oh my goodness. He hit it hard. Oh my goodness. He hit it really hard. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at that. Let's get him up. 1-7.